Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the sunlight outdoor visibility test between the Realme X7 Pro versus the Mi11. As you can see, friends, this is the Mi11 device and it is the Realme X7 Pro. So both phones are having the really high brightness levels in the outdoor visibility. But let's see which phone will do the best job in the outdoor in the direct sunlight. So this is another question which was asked by one of my subscribers that asking to test the sunlight visibility on these both phones. So that's why I thought of doing this kind of video comparing both the devices. And make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, for more upcoming comparisons like speed test and display comparison and camera comparison. There is a lot of comparisons to be coming in the upcoming days, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. And for this kind of live wallpapers what I'm using in these phones, so make sure to check the links in description, friends. So you can find the playlist for that wallpapers which are uploaded. So make sure to check the playlist, and even there's a playlist for each and every smartphone. So check those playlists and you'll get to know more details about the phones, so you can decide whether to buy or not. So let's see, friends, which display will look better in the outdoor. First, before starting that, let me even show you the display properties. So which phone has how much brightness of nits. So let me try to demonstrate you. The Mi11 has got the 1500 nits peak brightness, as you can see, 1500 nits, and whereas the Realme X7 Pro has got only 1200 nits of peak brightness. You can see the difference, 1500 versus 1200. So overall, in terms of the hardware thing and on the paper, the Mi11 is a clear winner, having the 300 nits more brightness. But let's see in the outdoor what are the things you need to know and which phone looks better as well in terms of the backside design. So you can see, friends, right now the Realme X7 Pro is kind of shining. So let's see what will happen for the Mi11 device in the direct sunlight. Will it be able to shine or reflect anything? So let's see, friends, we'll get to know those details right now. So right now you can see here, friends, I'm using the both phones in the direct sunlight in the outside. You can see here Mi11 and the Realme X7 Pro. So let me try to quickly show you the auto brightness settings what I'm using currently. So there is two different modes which is available in the Mi11, so which is a sunlight and the normal auto brightness. So I'll try to use the normal auto brightness mode. So sunlight mode is a different kind of mode. So whenever you come into the sunlight, only then it will try to activate, not in the indoor lighting. So I want to keep the test even, so I'm trying to use the auto brightness in both the phones to the maximum, as you can see here. So both phones, they look kind of same, but Mi11 is slightly better in terms of the brightness level. So that is what I did notice when I'm using the Mi11 phone outside. So when I'm comparing side by side, I can see the difference little bit. The Mi11 seems to be kind of better in the outdoor visibility test, if you observe the colors as well. So let's compare the backside. So backside, you can see obviously the Realme is the clear winner because it has got very good colors going on the backside effect. And for more this kind of in-depth comparison between both the phones, display, camera, battery, build quality, multitasking, lot of things, so make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video, friends, for more updates. Until then, bye.